A supply chain consists of several entities that need to share information and are part of a more extensive network of organizations and trading partners. Accurate and timely information allows the organization to improve service levels while decreasing costs and lead times. Companies today are constantly looking for better ways to improve service, reduce costs, and increase return on their investment.
Supply chains are becoming more integrated because of the global developments and forces of increased cost competitiveness, shorter product life cycles, faster product development cycles, globalization and customization of product offerings, and higher overall quality. It is for this very reason that information technology is employed to ensure reliable processing and documentation, and data sharing, and faster decision-making.
Technologies in a supply chain are not without limitations. A GPS could have trouble connecting to a satellite, and therefore the tracking could be faulty. Other considerations include disruptions in e-commerce and e-supply chains because of IT outages, adverse weather, cyber attacks and data breaches, new laws or regulations, acts of terrorism, and transport network disruption.
Managing a supply chain as one unit implies sharing information between the different trading partners and across the entire supply chain. This is achieved through supply chain integration. A 4-stage supply chain integration framework allows companies to achieve the goal of becoming one unit.
The first stage of the supply chain integration framework is the baseline. In this phase, each department in the company handles its issues in the supply chain separately. A business moves from the baseline stage to functional integration by becoming more collaborative with information. Internal integration follows this. Each department in the company is integrated and connected via the IT infrastructure. External supply chain integration links internal and external partners in the supply chain to achieve the same goal of customer satisfaction.
The benefits of supply chain integration include reduced frictions between trading partners, as there are fewer barriers, reducing waste of resources on unnecessary procedures, increased functional cooperation between trading partners, reduced cost in manufacturing operations, sunk product development costs, and increased company competitiveness and profitability. The critical dimensions for supply chain success include integration of data, synchronization of forecasting, synchronization of workflow, and novel business prototypes.
Several elements within the supply chain process enhance effectiveness and efficiency. These include strategic planning, demand planning, supply planning, procurement, manufacturing, warehousing, order fulfillment, and transportation. In the strategic planning phase, supply chain stakeholders use technologies that allow manufacturers to receive orders and enter them into a materials requirement planning system, which gets sent to the supplier.
Demand planning software enables the company to get simplified analysis. The technologies used in demand planning can detect and correct non-conforming data and analyze historical data to make better forecasts. Inventory management systems allow companies to count inventory and monitor how the stock is shipped out to various places to facilitate supply planning. Today, various applications make purchase orders, approvals, and invoicing much easier than before to support procurement. As a result, Various procurement applications reduce the cost and ease the flow of the procurement process.
Manufacturing process management systems allow companies to define how products are being manufactured and allow for timeframes to be entered so that the manufacturing meets timelines. Warehouse management systems, WMS, are used in the warehousing process to make warehousing activities faster. This reduces the time spent entering data and filling out entry forms. The order fulfillment process ranges from everything the company does, between receiving the order and delivering the order to the end user. This is achieved with an order management system.
Real-time information is the key to proper supply chain management. It speeds up the business process and prevents bottlenecks. With an increasing emphasis on technological advancements and the changes in customer expectations, the need for integrated supply management has become increasingly important.